Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic compatibility. This saves time later. First, power the lav mic and verify your recorder or camera accepts a mic input. Once done, clip the mic 6-12 inches from the mouth and run the cable to avoid clothing contact. Make sure phantom power or battery requirements match, otherwise you won't get signal. Adjust input gain conservatively at 0 dB and prepare to monitor audio immediately to catch issues early. You now focus on routing and verifying sound quality. Connect the lav to your recorder or wireless transmitter and hide cables securely. Loose cables cause handling noise. Use a windscreen outdoors to reduce plosives and wind rumble. Then monitor through headphones while speaking at performance volume. Listen for crackle, hiss, or clipping. Make incremental gain changes so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. This gives headroom and reduces post-production issues. Once satisfied, you finish by securing everything and confirming a clean take. Tape the cable along clothing seams and place the transmitter where it won't move. Movement translates to noise. Record a short test clip and inspect the waveform visually while listening. Make sure levels and tone are consistent. If you hear intermittent noise or no signal, first swap the battery, then the cable, and finally test a different input to isolate the fault. This quick troubleshooting sequence fixes most issues before you roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.